Hello, and welcome to today's webcast discussion on quality control leak detection with smart passive sensors. In this webcast, we will discuss the wireless battery-free sensor called the Smart Passive Sensor, or SPS. We will also discuss the history and reasoning behind creating this technology, a detailed explanation of SPS in action, the different hardware and software components included, and a cost analysis showing why we believe the Smart Passive Sensor is a revolutionary product that will provide many benefits at a very low cost. To provide a little backstory, ON Semiconductor and RF Micron have partnered in bringing to market a complete solution for in-vehicle water intrusion detection. This agreement has led to an effective way to present the Smart Passive Sensor to the consumer utilizing the support of both of these powerful companies. By doing this, we are able to provide the consumer with the best service capable when looking into or purchasing the SPS. The joint strategy works like this. RF Micron invented the wireless battery-free Smart Passive Sensor and holds all of the intellectual property rights on it. They created the SPS by utilizing their deep domain, application, and design knowledge for full system development. ON Semiconductor then gain the rights to manufacture and market SPS products in which ON Semiconductor can bring its world-class manufacturing support and logistics capabilities. All of this is done to provide top-of-the-line value and support directly to the customer. Now to get into the sad truth, leaks happen. Currently, there have been over 1.5 million leaky vehicles that went undetected using traditional labor-intensive methods. And a third of those 1.5 million undetected vehicles have been recalled in the past 3 years alone. The repairs needed to fix these water leaking issues totals to approximately $5,000 per repair, which adds a hidden cost of $100 to every vehicle produced. So to combat this, we are introducing the SPS Turnkey solution. This will undoubtedly make the moisture detection process in automobile creation not only more time efficient and cost efficient, but more quality effective as well. The process works like this. The moisture tag is attached to the vehicle's chassis in identified leak locations. The sensor is read, and the reading shows whether or not it has detected any moisture. This then leads to an overall cost reduction in identifying leaks that need to be repaired before heading out to market. And this can all be done completely wirelessly while minimizing human error. Here we can now look into the components of the Smart Passive Sensor Turnkey solution. The hardware components include the wireless water leak sensor tag, tails, and 2 sensor reader portals. The sensor tag is as small as a stick of gum and can stick to a multitude of different surfaces. The software components include a barcode input for vehicle identification, SDK for the data log, cognitive software, data storage, as well as data analytics visualization. The market adoption shows a proven success with a gauge R&R reliability and repeatability rating of greater than 95% for end-to-end support and system integration. Now let's take a look at how exactly you are able to measure and analyze the data you receive using the Smart Passive Sensor Turnkey solution. The data received is managed in a database infrastructure that will organize the sensor readings and provide failover reliability for the mass amounts of data that is taken and stored. The data is then put through a filtering protocol, and valid data is stored to be analyzed later on. With the valid data filtered and stored, it is now shown in advanced models to highlight key business insights that will be beneficial for your analysis. Then at this point, you can log into the OEM database to view the data you just collected that was already filtered, organized, and modeled for you. You can also organize the data yourself to analyze by categories such as model, chassis, factory, and date. This is all done to help save you time and effort in finding the root cause of why there might be a leak in the design. Let's now take a closer look into a cost analysis for using the SPS Turnkey solution. We touched on this data a bit earlier in the beginning of this webcast, but here is a breakdown of the total costs associated with the estimated total savings you will be receiving with the SPS solution. As you can see, with 2% of leaky vehicles estimated at 1.4 million total, an average repair cost of $5,000 per vehicle, The total per vehicle savings using a set of sensors is $100. The total labor cost to manually inspect vehicles of $5 per vehicle, and the total cost for a set of sensors equaling $10. The total savings is estimated to be approximately $95 per vehicle. Taking all of this into account, it's easy to see that utilizing these smart passive sensors will save you time, money, and lead to having a higher catch rate for any moisture leaks that may occur during the vehicle's production. All of this will lead to producing a higher quality product, earning higher customer satisfaction, and improving brand image. Thank you for watching this webcast on quality control leak detection with smart passive sensors. For more information on smart passive sensors, please visit www.onsemi.com. Thank you.